Hello YouTube, today I got my mini Erevo roller. Been waiting for this. This is like my dream, having a mini Erevo. Getting the 10 scale, once again. Anyway, let's dig inside and I'll kind of explain. So, this thing has great upgrades. It's got a center diff, aluminum hex hubs. Let's see, there's upgraded springs and I cannot cut this. Lots of great stuff. There's no servo. I'm not sure if there's a receiver box, but anyway. Ooh. Yes. Motor mount. Tools. Already have that. The other motor mount, which this is the one I'm going to use because I use a 550 motor. And this is the replacement piece for this center differential. Nice tires. They're not too used. Not scuffed up. Still look to be in really, really good condition. Quite strong too. Oh yes. Guys, this is my mini Erevo. Third to the collection. This is excellent. Oh. Get that new car feeling. Battery doors. What rate springs are these? Okay, so I got black in the rear, which I think is the tightest, and then pink in the front, which is like second. So really good setup. You can also see the aluminum hex hubs. Those are nice. RPMs. What's it called again? Anyway. Oh, axle carrier. There we go. RPM A-arms. Where's the fin? Maybe it's inside the box. Oh yeah, here it is. Got the fin here. Okay, so this is exciting. My new Erevo. I've been obsessing over this for the past 3 weeks, getting this roller. So, for part 1, I got the batteries. Hopefully these fit. I think they will. What? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. The batteries don't fit. Shit! And it's so damn close. It's got the right height. Shit. I guess I'm gonna modify this. So this wall on the chassis, that's all gonna get cut off, I guess. Every last bit of it. Same with this side. Oh. Dyeing the chassis too, using RIT dye. I think I might be dyeing these axle carriers too, but I'm not completely sure. And it looks like this vehicle's only gone through like 5 or 6 runs. Body's in good condition too. Feels a bit flexed and cracked at one point, but other than that, looks great. So I'm going to take everything out, put on the tires, put on the fin. Yeah. Show you everything else. Okay, so after a bit of heavy modifying, I managed to fit the battery, but, yeah. You can see it's not really the best, but it does fit in there. It's really tight. So tight that I can't even get this off easily. But, the process of this is I pull it from the back here. It can be by the wire. And then I pull it from the front, and then slide the front out. Alright, so you get it. I also was able to mount the motor, but it's still not correct. So I need to get a new motor mount plate. It's the right motor mount, but not the plate. The difference in the plate is that it has a different alignment from where you keep your gear mesh together. You see, it's not correct and it's not focusing. There we go. So you see, with this, with the normal one, it should be raised up where that hole is. And bunch of wiring to do, organizing. I think I'll be getting the normal receiver box and putting the ESC right there because there's a lot of room where that motor is. So everything's going okay. Still waiting on the servo. It's going to be mounted right here, and then here I'm going to put a switch for the ESC. But now for next video you're going to be waiting on the servo. Bye.